beyond the giants of the animal kingdom. Forget whales and sequoias, the true giant of the natural world. Lurks beneath the soil, hidden in plain sight. Introducing the Armillaria ostoi, also known as the honey fungus. Not your average mushroom, but a colossal life form that dwarfs all. Spanning an astonishing 2.4 miles in Oregon's Malheur National Forest, this fungal network weaves through the earth, a living carpet older than history, thousands of years in the making. This organism has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, thriving silently beneath the forest's canopy. But what makes the honey fungus truly remarkable isn't just its age or size, but its ability to connect and sustain an entire ecosystem. The Armillaria ostoi challenges our perceptions, proving that sometimes the most incredible wonders of nature are not the ones in plain view. Dive deeper into the secrets of the natural world with us. Subscribe for more astonishing discoveries. Thank you for watching.